Greeting to all. Sri Rama name is alphabet. A for Ayodhya Rama, B for Bhargava Rama, C for Chinmaya Rama, D for Dasharatha Rama, E for Ishvara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, G for Gunatmaka Rama, H for Hanumanta Rama, I for Viniya Rama, G for Jagadabi Rama, K for Kausalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, M for Maryada Rama, N for Navahari Rama, P for Purushottaka Rama, Q for Kushalaka Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taraka Rama, U for Udatta Rama, V for Vasishtha Rama, W for Vaikunda Rama, X for Jitendra Rama, Y for Yogita Rama, Z for Jitendra Rama.